How to edit file in the cPanel File Manager. Log into your cPanel account. You will be on this page. Now go to Files section and click on the File Manager. There is a list of file directories. Now go to the directory where your file is saved. For example, if it is inside public_HTML, click on public_HTML. Now go to the file you want to edit, right-click on it and choose Edit option. It is an HTML file, therefore click on Edit HTML. Here you can change the character encoding as per your language requirement and then click on Edit. The HTML file is open now. Make the changes you want and click on the Save button. That's it, we have successfully edited the HTML file. Thank you for watching.